One-handed, bit like a baseball shot that one, and it's gone mild. It's a terrific shot.
The 150 mark, look at this, he had the reach. It was way outside the line of the off stump, but he had that power.
Here's one. That's soaring into the night sky.
Over Virat. Keep the pressure on. A good hit. He only knows to play one way.
Thisara Perera. Wow.
6. And this is the last one. One-handed as well.
2020 match. Smith will continue. Oh, that's beautifully hit. That's a long way back. It can do.
Yeah, well, having spoken to a couple of Sri Lankans early in the day, they said that he does hit a long ball, and that one is a long one.
First time he gets length and he disappears towards the scoreboard for 6.
Isaac, probably one of the days old cricket, T20 cricket especially.
Just a foot wrong.
A bit short, hammered. That's gone for 6.
Another hero maximum. On the short side.
Thisara Perera.
This is the time. Let's see where that has gone. Gone very far. It's gone the distance.
He is a powerful man.
Oh! Just have a look before you hit the big one. No way. That has gone a long.
That's why he's hiding wide, because he knows Perera is going to hit it.
Slow deadly. Both leg spinners. Spin bowling. Thisara Perera.
Bang! Oh! 6.
Had purpose. That one could be the biggest to finish the game.
And he knows to play one way. This time over long on. Within the tournament. The googly. Terrific cricket shot.
Sri Lanka, the new champions of the ICC World T20. Well